Hi,
Hi, how you doing?
good. Who is Ed Ma?
Well, I'm a fashion buyer for different companies, mostly in the footwear field, and I'm also happen to be a fashion photographer and stylist at the same time. So I've been very busy.
You've been very busy. You've been shooting fashion around the world.
Yes, I have the last 10 years. I've been shooting maybe 80 to 100 shows for this season.
Wow, that's amazing.
Yeah.
What do you take with you when you shoot an international fashion show?
So you need a couple of cameras for sure, just in case. You got batteries, you memory cards, you got lens, you bring cover just in case the weather will collapse.
Prepare for all
And
weather.
also, most important, you need multivitamins for the health purpose.
Yes,
That's
you have to
important.
keep your energy up.
Yeah, definitely.
Who inspire you?
So I think Versace, the king of color, accessory, the part, he's definitely my favorite designer by far.
Oh yeah?
Yes, definitely.
Yes, I love his work. What exciting trend stand out from Milan, Paris, New York City, and Toronto right now?
Now there's a couple of them. The most there is the Michael Mini. There's a lot of hats. There's a lot of outerwear. And there's all those antique dressing called 17th, 18th century that really back the style like for this season.
What the energy was like at the Versace fashion show when Jennifer Lopez walked the runway on the 20th anniversary of the green dress that inspired Google to create image search.
The whole world just stand up like they've never seen a Jennifer Lopez in their life. By the way, that dress is not original. They designed to alternate the dress to make it to celebrate the 20th anniversary of that green dress.
Yeah,
Yes,
so it's actually a remake.
definitely correct.
What is your current favorite piece of clothing that you own right now?
I have a couple of several Versace sport jackets to wear the green one. I just had not had a chance to wear them because they don't have enough red in Toronto for me to show them off.
Who are the top five highest paid model right now?
Well, right now it's Kendall Jenner, the Haiti sister, June Small, Cardi Cross, the friend of the top five. Well, you see them everywhere in all the shows and all the advertising campaign right now. So,
What one thing people do not know about you?
but I used to be a tennis player for the last 10 years ago. I tried to retire. There's no energy. I'm too tired now. No time. So
The opportunity that you'd like to have if you started out in the fashion industry right now.
it'd be nice to get more opportunity because we don't have enough funding. The government does not support the Canadian industry, the fashion especially,
Yes.
and we have problem getting sponsorship, and that's the problem. So start this beginning. That's the
So we
problem.
need more support from the government of Canada.
Definitely for sure.
So we're going to go to the rapid fire question. Coffee or tea?
I love tea. Tea is more healthier.
Spotlight?
I prefer to be more private. I don't like spotlight. I'm too shy anyway. So,
Runway?
well, I prefer not to worry. Let's go for sidewalk. Sidewalk is more unconventional. So it's something different.
Luxury?
Well, the luxury is kind of our style now. Anyways, everyone's saving money. So
Yep.
I would say cheap.
Creative?
I'm a creative person, so I'll be non-creative this time.
Ah, thank you, Ed.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.